Hey guys, today just want to talk about our new quad that we just got. We've had it less than a month now. It's a CFMOTO C600. It's already appeared in a couple videos, but we wanted to test it, right? Beat on it a little bit, help us complete some projects before we did a review on it. So, initial review, I mean, like everybody says, cliche at this point if you've watched any other reviews, but you get a bang for your buck for sure. Comes fully loaded compared to its competitors for a super affordable price, so I have no complaints there. So just going over some of the stuff, if you compare the specs to like the Polaris or the Can-Ams, right, maybe they're a little smaller machine than you would get for its competitor, but honestly, for what we're doing, and anybody in general, I don't think you'd really be able to tell the difference in the specs. So they come with the winch already, trailer hitch, and power steering. Huge help, especially with the projects we've been doing. One thing that I really like about it is these racks. They have so many different accessories, super compatible, easy to put in, whatever. So that makes a huge difference, and it's just been a great machine so far. So we'll get into a little bit more of a review. So just going over some of the things it's really helped us do around here so far is the food plots, obviously. Just transporting stuff. We have a little trailer we can hook up to the back, makes it a lifesaver, especially when we're going out putting up our trail cameras, and eventually we'll start getting our stands up sooner than later. So it'll be a big time game changer for us. We have a fixed blind in the works too, so this will be a big help with transporting the lumber and stuff like that. So we want to jump into a test ride. Alright guys, didn't really want to give you too much of a detailed rundown on it, but just wanted to talk about the machine we've been using around the property to help us get projects done. I can't say enough good things about it. I think it's an awesome machine, best bang for your buck on the market, and anything that it lacks in specs compared to competitors, I think it makes up for an affordability and functionality. So overall, I love this machine. It's done us well, and it will continue to do us well.